Hey guys, okay, I already messed up. Okay, hey, hey guys, what am I doing? Hey guys, good morning. Today we're gonna do commissions. Okay, so for today's commission is gonna be for one of my friends. I asked him if I could record my drawing process, and he said it would be cool, so I was really glad to hear that. He wanted me to draw him like an angel fending off evil, so I thought it was a good idea. So I'm gonna see if I can do that, and in this short video I'm going to go over some tips and tricks on how to draw basic fire and lightning effects, because that could be really helpful in certain types of drawings that other people would like to use. So just enjoy the rest of the video, and here we go. Okay, so since the sketch is finally complete, we're gonna move on to colors. My friend wanted me to incorporate these three colors within the drawing. First one was blue, then gold, then purple accents. It was kind of tricky to incorporate the purple in the drawing, like the purple accents, because I didn't want to overcrowd the armor that he's wearing. So I later decided to just focus on that last and work on everything else. For the gold, what I did for the gold now, I allowed it to have this type of reflecting look, like it's reflecting light. So what I did was I used a lighter shade of the gold and went over a particular section. Then I added white within the middle. After that, I used a smudge tool in order to go over the edges in order for it to be more of a shine look. Since lightning has a static motion, I drew a single jagged line. Parts of the line that are sticking out are given a thicker edge to provide more weight. Once that was done, I drew another jagged line but with no thick edge. After that, I added a white airbrush underneath the line using the color dodge to give it a more glowing effect. And since lightning can be related to the color blue, I added a blue airbrush between the line and the white airbrush. Fire was a bit more difficult to deal with, but what I did was using the first layer for solid colors. These colors would then be sculpted having no symmetry similar to fire or like Swiss cheese. Above that layer, I used a new layer in color dodge to add a yellow glow on the previous solid colors, having this same Swiss cheese effect. After that, I copied and pasted the first solid colors layer and converted it to hard light above that layer. Once that was done, I used another layer in color dodge to add a glowing effect using the airbrush tool. Okay, so this turned out really great. My friend liked it very much, and he's going to be posting it all over the place on his social media platforms. So I just wanted to say for this, I'm currently doing commissions, and place you can reach me is on my Instagram, and I'll see you next time.